Hi everybody! In today's video I want to show you how to turn an ugly kitchen like this into something like this on Stylish Guy DIY. Hi, my name is Marcus Netting and this is the first of a 3-part kitchen renovation video series. Although your range hood's main purpose is to circulate the air in the kitchen, it's also a great opportunity to showcase your style in your kitchen design. With the influence of European design and the IKEA movement, many of today's range hoods are simple and minimalistic. Less is more. So let's look how to transform this kitchen on a tight budget, and I show you some great ways to save money without compromising design. I made a quick sketch on how I picture the kitchen to look like. And yes, I'm well aware that my drawing talents are very limited. Decided to take out the microwave and the cabinet above the stove and install a range hood. And to give it that modern/industrial look, I will use a stainless steel backsplash behind the cooking range. First step, taking out that greasy, nasty microwave. Because the 3 cabinets are all one piece, I have to cut out the back wall. For that I used my Remodel oscillating tool. Where the cabinet used to be, I want to lower the ceiling so that I can run cables for the under cabinet lighting and just install the trim in one piece nicely across. After I got all the needed dimensions, I ordered this beautiful stainless steel range hood from Amazon. And I ordered the stainless steel backsplash. I didn't want to spend too much money on a range hood because I really wanted to replace my stove. Because frankly that thing was ugly. Those stoves with the back buttons look like from the Stone Age. Next phase, subway tile. I got this subway tile from Lowe's for $140. I marked where the stainless steel backsplash has to go, and now I have to tile around it. Once all the tile was up, I installed the backsplash. I left the protective cover on so that it doesn't get all scratched up once I apply the grout. I'm using this unsanded grout mix that is supposed to be grey. Freaked me out a little bit first because when I applied it, it looked really dark, but once it dried, it turned grey as advertised. Now we're ready to install the vent hood. So my vent hood came with this drill template. I assume most come this way. And you just tape it to the wall, and it makes it really easy to mark where you need to drill the holes. I tried to mark it as good as possible on the grout line so that I wouldn't have to drill a lot of tile. But unfortunately I still have to drill some tile, but that's okay. I'm breaking through the hard surface of the tile with this masonry bit. Not sure if that's the correct way to do it, but it works for me. And honestly, even if the tile cracks, it's behind the vent hood and you can't see it anyway. The mounting plate on my vent hood is just like a hook and you just hang it up there. Then you do your final adjustment, make sure everything is leveled. And you tighten the screws. Done.
Installed.
If the labels in your circuit panel are as inconclusive as in mine, I plug in the vacuum cleaner in the outlet that I want to turn off, and then I just listen until it goes off. Now I just need to install the filters. Very easy to take out. You can wash them in a dishwasher and they just snap right in there. So let's test it. We got the lights on, off. We have 3 exhaust levels: low, medium, high. So let's test the suction power. On low. This is on medium. And this is on high. I don't have anything to compare it to, but I would think that's pretty good. Now let me show you how nicely this stainless steel backsplash fits in with the tile. The transition from the backsplash to the tile is one smooth surface. I put silicone all the way around. I also added some trim to the bottom of my cabinet because it looked really boring without it, and it was also helpful to mount under cabinet lights. You can see that vent hood fits just perfectly into that space. There's just a small little gap between the cabinets. I want to use this self-adhesive foil on the back side of the cabinet with the glass doors. It has an interesting pattern and I think it could look nice. For all the materials that I used in this project, I will put links in the description below. I'm not sure I really liked it. I also want to put glass panels into these cabinet doors. I already painted it, but I'm not sure. I might just leave the doors off. Another problem I ran into is that my idea of putting glass shelves into this cabinet would weaken its structure. I could install additional lights under each shelf, hidden behind a small wood trim. But maybe that's material for another episode. In the next episode I will show you how to install the farmhouse sink, the countertops, and how I built that little shelf and installed the lights above the sink. And if you're interested in how I made these pendant lights out of IKEA pencil holders, put it in the comment section and I'll make a short how-to video about it. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked it, and come back for the next episode.